If you have tried textures in watercolors, if you have painted with me different trees, if you have learned to mix different green colors, if you have learned about perspective in drawing, about the aerial perspective, if you already have all this knowledge and you feel that you are ready to step on the other level of learning and to understand more about watercolors, then I invite you to a new course that it is called Travel Sketches, where we will discover the beauty of this world through different landscapes, cityscapes, where we will put into practice everything that you have learned during these last weeks on this YouTube channel. For those of you who are for the first time here, my name is Ala, I'm a sketch illustrator and watercolorist, and from 2020 I'm an art teacher too. And in today's video I want to share with you 7 final works that you can do too during the course Travel Sketches. I want to show you that you are already ready to start with this course if you have watched all my last videos from the previous weeks. With these art tutorials, you will bring your artistic skills to the next level. We will start with the first work, where I will be sharing with you how to draw and paint this beautiful lighthouse. Here I will show you how to work with the composition, how to work with the horizontal line. We will apply perspective drawing skills that you have learned earlier on this YouTube channel, and we will draw this house and the lighthouse following the principles of perspective drawing. Once we will proceed with watercolors, we will apply different techniques. The first technique that we will use will be wet on wet technique, with which we will recreate this beautiful sky and the movement in the sky. Once we will have done the sky, we will proceed with wet on dry technique and we will create the sea. I will share how to create these beautiful highlights over here, and as well we will work with glazing technique with the different application on the work till we will get to the depth and intensity that we need during this work. The next work will be Windmills at Castilla-La Mancha, where as well we will use the perspective principles to work with the drawing of the windmills. I will explain you how to work with the composition, how to work from big to small, and how to draw it easily in an easy form. Once we will proceed with the watercolors, I will share with you again wet on wet technique and wet on dry technique, but as well here we will work with aerial perspective, because in this case we will work with windmills, and the windmills that are closer to our eyes will be bigger and more intense in color with more depth, and the windmills that we will have in the background will be lighter, smaller and less detailed. Another easy work, because the previous works are easy, even if it looks for you that it will be difficult, don't worry, with my guidance you will be able to recreate all these works. And the next work will be an easy one, because we won't work with any perspective rules. It will be just a flat drawing, a simple door, I call this travel sketch Greece, because it reminds me Santorini or islands of Greece. And we will draw this beautiful door. Once we will have drawn this door, we will proceed with watercolors. In watercolors, I will show you how to recreate shapes of these watercolors, how to create depth for the flowers. And for the doors, I will share with you the technique of glazing. We will apply several layers till we will create the depth on it. The next work that we will do will be this beautiful sketch of Sydney. Even if it looks super difficult, don't worry, in less than 1 hour you will have this sketch done. The most difficult part, it is obviously the drawing process, and we will spend more time on it, but in watercolors we use very few colors, and I will show you how to mix cool and warm colors and to create this gradient to pass from one color to another in an easy form. In this way, once the first layer will be done, we will dry the work. We will proceed with wet on dry technique. We will draw the city by night in detail. The next work is about this beautiful cliff landscape. I really love this landscape because it has in it a lot of interesting things. First, it has the perspective, one point perspective, that these hills are going, these cliffs are going over here. This is the first thing. We have the horizontal line. We will work on the aerial perspective because we will work with a lighter color in the background, the clouds in the line performed in the background, and with more depth closer to us. And as well, we have here trees that will catch up the viewer eye's attention and will make this work to be brought closer to our eyes. And the last two works will be more advanced level. I really hope that you will enjoy and you will proceed drawing those. Indeed, the rules, the perspective rules that we have learned earlier during these classes on my YouTube channel will help you a lot to understand how to draw this work. In these works, the most difficult part will be the drawing and the perspective way. And here I will insist on drawing correctly and based on the rules of perspective, everything, because if the drawing will be wrong, later on the watercolors won't be as beautiful. The watercolors really depends on the good drawing in case we are working on travel sketches, on urban sketching. And these works, I hope you will enjoy to paint as well with me. And I'm sure that you will learn a lot of interesting things for you. So this course is about travel sketches, about enjoying your time by painting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Till the next time, bye!